JustPay has been at the forefront of UPI innovation since inception. From developing the Bheem app and building the first UPI PSP on cloud and powering some of the top TIP apps to enabling one-click UPI payments, we have our footprints across the UPI ecosystem. And today, with the vision to enable credit for the next 100 million Indians, we present our all-new UPI credit issuance stack. Built on the pillars of reliability, scalability, and agility, JustPay's credit issuance stack delivers a comprehensive set of features that can enhance end-to-end credit issuance capabilities. Our advanced LOS features a highly customizable eligibility and decision engine, an onboarding SDK, and a KYC verification system, making customer onboarding simpler and more efficient. Manage and oversee all your credit programs, accounts, interests, fees, billings, EMIs, and more with our comprehensive loan management services. But what truly sets us apart is the seamless UPI integration through an inbuilt UPI issuer switch. This switch opens up the credit lines on the UPI rails, enabling you to link and manage credit line accounts, transactions, disputes, and settlements effortlessly. Our unified operations and analytics dashboard provides a 360 view of customer accounts and histories. The analytics dashboard offers detailed insights at the customer and transaction level, as well as high-level business and product metrics such as NIM, spending patterns across regions and MCCs, and default patterns using predictive analytics. Within this single unified dashboard, our reporting module lets you configure alerts and reports to meet any business requirement. With JustPay powering the checkout experience of over 500 brands and digital enterprises, this credit stack also has an unmatched distribution capability. Our credit issuance stack and issuer switch is built with cloud-native infrastructure, which is horizontally scalable and is multi-region active with no single point of failure. All of this culminates in a high standards of 99.99% uptime, 0% technical declines, and 50,000 TPS scalability. Partner with JustPay to enable the next wave of innovation in credit.